In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook in Zoom. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Outlook connected inside Zoom so you can streamline scheduling and keep your meetings in sync. This is quick to set up, and I'll explain what you'll see on screen so nothing is confusing along the way. As a quick tip before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Zoom desktop app with the account you actually use for meetings. If your organization manages apps, you may see an approval prompt, which is normal. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. Look to the left-hand sidebar and expand the options by clicking More. This reveals additional tools that aren't shown by default, including the app integrations we want to use today. Next, choose Apps. This opens the Zoom Apps experience, which is essentially a built-in marketplace where you can find and install integrations that work right inside Zoom. Give it a second to load if it's the first time you've opened it. That's expected. When the Apps window appears, go to the search bar at the top and type Outlook. You're looking for the official listing named Outlook for Zoom. If you see multiple results, focus on the one clearly labeled for Zoom and check the icon and publisher details to make sure it's the legitimate integration. Select Outlook for Zoom to open its details page. Here you can review a brief description of what it does, common features, and the permissions it needs. It's a good habit to glance through this so you know exactly how the integration will interact with your Zoom account. When you're ready, click the button to add or install the app. A confirmation message will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. Typically, you'll be asked to allow the app certain permissions so it can create and manage meeting details on your behalf. If your Zoom account is managed by an admin, you might see a note saying approval is required. Just submit the request or contact your admin if prompted. In some cases, you may also be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account to complete the connection. Simply continue with those prompts if they appear. Once the confirmation completes, you'll see Outlook for Zoom listed under your apps inside Zoom. If it doesn't show up right away, refresh the app's view or restart the Zoom client and check again. From here, the integration is ready to help you keep your meetings and calendar aligned. That's all it takes to add Outlook in Zoom. If you followed the confirmation message to the end, you're set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother scheduling experience.